Most business owners typically do their own bookkeeping when they first start their business, but a question I often receive is, when should I be getting help with my bookkeeping? The help that a business owner can get from a bookkeeper, accountant, CPA, or tax preparer can vary, and the level of expertise and amount of time required varies as well. The main point here is that all business owners need to understand their business finances, whether they're doing their own bookkeeping or if they have someone else generating their financial statements for them. In today's podcast episode, I walk through many of the main reasons business owners may want to consider getting help with their bookkeeping, as well as signs it may be time for you to start asking for help with your bookkeeping. If you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, side hustler, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you want to make sure that you have your business financial information ready to prepare your tax return, but you also want to make sure that you're utilizing this information throughout the year so that you can make smart business decisions. Running your business in the dark without the right financial information will only hinder the success and potential that you could see in your business. Listen in and see if or when you should be asking for help with your business finances. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Are you doing your own bookkeeping and you're wondering when or if you should be asking for some help with your business finances? I'm going to break this down a little further today by first talking about how and when a bookkeeper, accountant, tax preparer, or a CPA can help you with your business finances. And then I'll talk about the main reasons why you might need to ask for help with your bookkeeping. There are various stages in your business and projects when you may want to consult with an accountant for help. When you're in the beginning stages of starting your business, you may want to connect with an accountant to ensure that you're setting your business up with a proper entity. There are many to choose from. Some business owners will start their business out as a sole proprietor and then move into another entity such as an LLC or an S corporation. But knowing which entity is right for your business, as well as which offers the best tax advantages, is essential in the beginning stages of your business, and it can save you money in the long run. You also may want to utilize a tax preparer to file your business tax returns. When making this decision, you want to take into consideration how much time it would take you to prepare your own tax return and your level of expertise. When hiring a professional to do this for you, you not only have peace of mind knowing that it was done professionally, but they also will be there for you if you have a tax audit in the future. Your accountant could help you with preparing a business plan so that you know your business is feasible and help you secure financing if needed. You may also need an accountant to assist you when you're ready to sell your business. They can ensure that you're providing the proper financial statements to your buyer, as well as structuring the sale so that the money you receive from the sale sets you up for the best tax advantage. Most of these services can be done on a one-time or yearly basis, and they don't require you to hire them on a monthly basis. When you're looking at your bookkeeping process, there are many options available for you to get help as well. If you feel like you have a reasonable control of your business finances, but you just need a little help or training, you can easily get this when you need it. An example of this is when I work with my clients to provide training on the initial setup of their bookkeeping system, help them get organized, and put processes in place so that they know the exact steps they need to do to get their bookkeeping done. When I work with business owners, they often are seeking confirmation that they have their system set up properly and that they're doing everything necessary to create accurate financial statements and reports that they can review on a monthly basis. We work through the procedures they need to do on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, and they instantly feel relief knowing that they're doing exactly what needs to be done in their business. On the other hand, you may be looking for someone to take over your bookkeeping and generate financial statements on a monthly basis for you. When you're looking for a bookkeeper to help you with this, you normally don't need to hire an on-site bookkeeper. These services can be done easily with a remote bookkeeper and are usually billed on a monthly basis. Regardless of how much help you need with your business finances, make sure that you fully understand and review your financial statements on a monthly basis so that you can make smart business decisions. Now, let's talk about the main reasons or signs you might need to ask for help with your bookkeeping. One of the first signs you may find is if you're not doing your bookkeeping at all or your business financial statements are not up to date. Maybe you find yourself spending weekends trying to catch up on the last 3, 6, 9, or even 12 months of bookkeeping. If you don't have your bookkeeping done on at least a monthly basis, you may want to start asking for help. You might find that your bookkeeping is taking up too much of your time and you're not able to properly focus on running your business. If you find that you don't know how your business is doing financially, you don't have timely and accurate financial statements to review on a monthly basis, and you've never done a bank reconciliation, or maybe you don't even know what a reconciliation is, it might be time to make some changes to your bookkeeping process. If you don't do your bookkeeping all year long, and you bring a shoebox into your tax preparer for them to do your bookkeeping for you so that they can file your tax return, which, by the way, will probably cost you more money than if you had someone do your bookkeeping monthly for you. And you could have known how your business was doing financially throughout the year. It's time to get some processes set up for your bookkeeping system. Maybe you need to find out why your sales are up, but you're just not seeing the cash flow that you think you should. When you hire a bookkeeper, they are able to help you ensure your bookkeeping is up to date, you have financial statements that you can rely on to make those smart business decisions, and they're able to give you advice and a different perspective on how your business is doing. When you don't have a good idea about what you're spending your money on or where you're making the most money in your business, it's hard to make decisions that will improve your finances. If you struggle or are overwhelmed with invoicing your customers, staying on top of your accounts receivable so that you have consistent cash flow, you're unable to pay your bills on time so that you can avoid late fees or bank service charges, you don't have time to process your payroll, or you're unsure of the payroll tax deadlines that you need to meet so that you don't incur any penalties or interest, you don't prepare a budget or you need help creating one, you have a hard time separating your personal and your business expenses, or you're losing track of your transactions or receipts and need a system to keep all of those business receipts. Setting up some simple processes and getting your bookkeeping organized will help you tremendously. Most business owners who get help with their bookkeeping find out that they aren't doing as good of a job as they initially thought. Many times you just need to ask a few questions or get the proper training so that you know you're on the right track. If you feel like you're lacking the confidence that you need when doing your own bookkeeping, or have a few questions about how you should handle situations specific to your business, I'd love to help you. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life. And stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.